Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal, Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. But make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking about the pineapple. This is a great snack on its own, but we're also going to mention two different ways that you can enjoy the pineapple with two different kinds of dips. But first, let's talk about how to pick one out. The best way to find a great, sweet, flavorful pineapple is one with good, healthy leaves. Probably not this one. They look a little shabby. But you want to see as much golden as you can, as opposed to dark green, because the pineapple ripens from the bottom up. So the more golden you have, the riper and the sweeter and the more flavorful it is. And on the bottom, it should smell like pineapple. Give that a sniff right there.
Oh,
it smells fresh? Well, good. Then maybe we have a good one here. Now, how do you cut the pineapple? Do you know?
Get the knife.
Well, you get the knife. Yes, you get the knife. But what you want to do is cut it about 1/2 inch below that top shoulder. And what I mean by shoulder is if you look at Logan's shoulder, whoop, a pineapple has a shoulder as well. So you want to cut it about 1/2 inch below that. You also want to so lop that top right off. You got it. Whoop. And then you also want to take off about 1/2 inch off the bottom.
Because you don't
want to eat those spiky skins, right? Yeah. Right. So you also want to cut slicing downward all that skin off, including those little eyelet looking things, and then cut lengthwise in half and remove the skin from it.
karate chop.
Yes, karate chop. And now let's talk about the two different ways that you can enjoy it. We have here a yogurt dip. So it would be about 7 ounces of Greek yogurt, non-fat is preferred, about a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a tablespoon of honey. Stir that up and you can dip your pineapple right in. And on the other side over here, we have a sugary, spicy sugar dip. I'm going to use monk fruit sugar. You can use your sweetener of choice. About 1/3 cup of that. Chili powder, about 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, depending on how spicy you like it, and a teaspoon of sea salt. And you mix that all together and you can dip your pineapple in that. So 2 separate ways to enjoy it, or all by itself. Pineapple has about, I think it was 80 something calories per serving, 22 carbs and 16 sugars. And then it depends on, this really doesn't have much nutritional information to it. And the yogurt dip depends on what kind of yogurt you have, and honey is pretty standard. Are we gonna give it all a try?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, please, I love pineapple.
Me too. Okay, great. So we will see you next time on Food Tip Tuesday. Bye.
A few moments later.
Oh my goodness. Careful, don't talk too much. That little tooth's gonna come right out. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what we're gonna say?
Yes.
But don't let Raja see him. Don't let Raja see him. Be a bark fest.